Use of flywheel. A flywheel in a vehicle is a heavy, metal disc attached to the rear of the crankshaft that smoothens engine power delivery by storing rotational energy, balancing the engine, and assisting with starting. It maintains consistent RPMs during non-power strokes, enables smooth clutch operation, and reduces vibration, ensuring stable vehicle performance. How it works with the engine. During the power stroke, energy is stored in the flywheel. This stored energy keeps the crankshaft rotating through the non-power strokes, intake, compression, exhaust. This continuous rotation keeps the engine running smoothly, rather than stopping and starting with each piston fire.